Maintaining your dishwasher's high loop tips. Regularly inspect the high loop setup to ensure the hose maintains its upward bend, without drooping or sagging. Check for signs of leakage around the high loop area and the hose's connection points. Replace the hose if leaks are detected. Avoid overloading the dishwasher. This can lead to less effective cleaning and potential water backup, affecting the high loop. Clean the drain hose periodically to prevent debris buildup, which can cause blockages and backflow. Schedule periodic professional checkups for the dishwasher and high loop installation to ensure proper functioning and longevity. What should you regularly inspect in your dishwasher's high loop setup? A. That the hose maintains its upward bend without drooping or sagging. B. The color of the hose for fading. What should you do if you find leaks in the high loop? A. Ignore them as they are normal. B. It is better to replace the hose. Why should you avoid overloading the dishwasher in relation to the high loop? A. It can lead to less effective cleaning and potential water backup. B. It makes the dishwasher more energy efficient. How often should you schedule professional checkups for your dishwasher and high loop? A. Only when the dishwasher stops working. B. Periodically to ensure proper functioning and longevity. What is the consequence of not maintaining the high loop properly? A. Increased energy efficiency of the dishwasher. B. Risk of blockages and backflow due to debris buildup.